There are three big wrong rumors about real estate floating around out there, and you need to know them. Big wrong rumor number one: real estate is not a career, it's a business. It is the best business in the world, and if you want to succeed in this business, you're going to need a business education. There is more to real estate than just getting a license. In fact, your license guarantees you nothing. It's just the entry fee you pay to get in. For example, how will you market yourself? How will you attract or find people who want to either buy or sell a house today? And what will you say to them when you do find them? Marketing is a business skill. In fact, marketing is the #1 skill to have. Hi, I'm Wayne Morgan, co-owner of the Real Estate Business School, a business school for realtors. We teach more than just how to get a license, we teach you how to actually use it to sell houses. We have over 100 ways to generate leads and proven scripts you can use to educate your prospects about all the benefits they'll receive by working with you. And here's the best part. All this and more is included in your Get Started licensing package. We're the only school in Texas that includes 33 extra hours of mentoring in your Get Started package. Why pay more and get less? The Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. Now go mind your own business.